All right, stand by. We have ignition.
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes! Woo! Oh, snap!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
There's always a delay with
Engine
the
full
video.
power and liftoff of Starlink. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Oh, snap. We'll hear it in a
And we
second.
should be picking up the sound in about 10 seconds.
You'll feel it.
Vehicles pitching up.
If it's closer. There it is. You hear it?
Oh my goodness! At T plus 30 seconds, F9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 from the Cape at 11:43 a.m. Eastern Time.
Crackle.
MOD chair pressures are number. Nominal power telemetry. Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Okay, what you're seeing right now, we're going through a part of the atmosphere called the thermocline. There's a big temperature difference in that area. That's why you see that smoke. It'll disappear in just a few seconds.
Max Q.
Okay, just passing through max Q or maximum dynamic pressure. That is the area where the greatest amount of pressure is on the vehicle. You can see we
Those are
passed through the
coming back.
thermocline. You can just see the orange flame. This first stage will continue to burn. Our main engine will cut off at 2 minutes 27 seconds in.
Oh, I gotta
The
stand
stages
watch
will
that.
separate 4 seconds later. The second stage igniting at 2 minutes and 37 seconds.
He's got me
We're
back.
now about 1 minute away from a series of events: MECO, stage sep, SES1, and fairing separation. MECO, or main engine cutoff, is when all 9 of the Merlin engines on the first stage shut down.